This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
The Fame Game.
आज के शो का नाम है द फेम गेम, क्योंकि आज जिस गेस्ट के साथ मैं बात कर रही हूँ एमएमटी की एम्प्लॉई है, हाल ही में उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है। वो एक ट्रेंड क्लासिकल वोकलिस्ट है एंड शी इज बीन डूइंग दिस सिंस शी वाज अ वेरी वेरी यंग गर्ल, व्हिच इज समवेयर अबाउट 5 or 6 years old is when she started training in classical music, and today she loves to sing as well as listen to all kinds of music, different genres, और थोड़ी सी झलक जो है वो आज हमें मिलने ही वाली है शो पर. That is why it's called the Fame Game. It's Shruti Sanjeev from the Corporate Channel Department. She's based out of Gurgaon. Shruti, it's so nice to have you on the show.
Hi Annie, it's very nice to be here. Thank you.
तो मैंने कहा 5 से 6 साल की उम्र से आपने क्लासिकल सीखना शुरू किया. Is that correct?
Yes, I mean, I started from when I was in first standard. In my township, we had a music teacher who used to come, and I was just discovered. It started off in a way कि जाओ, you know how parents are कि drawing class में भेज दिया, singing में भेज दिया, dancing में भेज दिया, so discover your talent, kind of a thing. And music का जब शुरू हुआ तो एक गुरुजी आते थे and चली गई, and he figured out like you have a good voice, let's do this. You have a very good potential, and then eventually, I mean, it became one of my passions.
Oh, that is so good. तो आप ट्रेन वोकलिस्ट तो हैं, परफॉर्म कर चुकी हैं कॉलेज में काफ़ी सारा, शायद बाहर उसके अलावा भी आपने परफॉर्म किया है, पर अब कैसे काइंड ऑफ बैलेंस करते हो कि कभी कभार आप गाने भी जाते हो कहीं और आप एक जॉब भी करते हो?
During my studies मेरे लिए काफ़ी easy होता था. I mean, हर competition में part ले लिया, and I used to go there and just showcase the talent. And हुआ तो हुआ, otherwise used to just go for the fun of it. Used to get recognized. But corporate में थोड़ा सा small gathering हो गई of the corporate team या town halls हो गए, तो ये सब में I used to go and perform. So I used to manage that. And जो गाने का passion है, I've been learning ukulele abhi, but you cannot sing classical songs on it. So I do go back to few of my classical songs, and that's how I try to manage it. Like thoda bahut practice karti raho ताकि you don't lose it, and definitely take part in not competition per se, but be a volunteer for any segment like for that.
राइट, परफॉर्मेंसेज, व्हाई नॉट. आपकी जो टैलेंट है उसका झलक हमें भी चाहिए, तो आपसे गवाऊंगी ज़रूर. तो श्रुति, गाना तो आपसे गवाऊंगी, उससे पहले एक छोटा सा रैपिड फायर राउंड हो जाए. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Yeah.
चलिए, रैपिड फायर राउंड के पहले ये भी बताना कि एमएमटी ज्वाइन करके कैसा लग रहा है, 2.5 महीने में कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
It's little bit of an industry change. तो थोड़ा सा overwhelming initially था, but it was not in a bad way. It was more in a way कि yeah, there's a lot to learn here as well. And the idea was when you are a market leader, you're pretty much responsible for creating things in the industry. Right. So that's something which for me is amazing, and I'm getting the opportunity to do that in the channel that I'm working in. So overwhelmed, but in a good way. It's pretty much fun environment out here, so that is also. I've been in a very structured organization, so here थोड़ा freedom ज़्यादा मिलता है, so I kind of love that. Yeah, I mean, it's been really nice and really good, I would say. I mean, better than what I had thought of, and I'm enjoying.
Very good. चलिए, rapid fire round हो जाए.
The Rapid Fire Round.
Have you ever had a funny encounter with a celebrity, maybe in real life?
Oh yeah, I did.
Oh.
Celebrity was Rakhi Sawant on Mumbai airport.
What are you saying? What happened?
So it was during my market visit in my previous organization, and I had booked the wrong flight. by mistake. I had checked in pretty much early, like 10 hours before, which was a mistake of the airline people. I showed my ticket. They showed कि आपने तो गलत time का book किया है. Your flight is at 7 p.m. So in that hassle, I just saw Rakhi Sawant was doing her security check. You know, seeing her on the, there was few memes where she had actually ignored people. One gentleman was standing and when he was trying to take a photo, she just looked at her and walked away, like in a funny way. So I was really scared to reach out. I'm like, I just said, hi Rakhi, I really like your videos that's been actually coming on Instagram for some reason, even if it can be used as a meme, but there are certain facts that you state to it. So she's like, अच्छा, आप काफी सही बोल रही हैं. And then I'm like, can I take a photo with you? So yeah.
Oh, that is so cool. She's quite an enthu cutlet वैसे. वो जहाँ जाती है ड्रामा फॉलो करता है उन्हें, and that's just how she is, What's your spirit animal, if I have to ask you, and why?
I don't think I can pinpoint it. One is panda, and they're two different people. When I'm on my vacation, two different animals. So it's one is panda and one is I think wolf. It represents two things. Like when I like to be a little bit more individual. I thrive on individuality a little bit. Panda is like, I'm also very lazy. So I need people around me.
Very strong personality, I must say. अच्छा, कोई ऐसे unusual pizza topping कभी try किया है और अच्छा भी लगा है?
मेरे को तो ऐसे अनयूजुअल लगता है वो जो पनीर के पिज्जा बनाते रहते हैं, मतलब Dominator, that sort of a thing. I really found it very funny, but it turned out to be my taste. So I liked
not
it.
bad. चलिए आखिरी सवाल. What's the strangest thing you've ever found in your pocket or purse?
I really like if I find money.
Why not?
Like randomly, that's a surprise for me. Usually, our phone पे के time पे.
Okay.
जाने कैसे बांधे तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर, मेरे चेहरे के सुबह जुल्फों के शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है पिया अब से तेरे नाम, नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हसी, आफरी 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 आफरी.
क्या बात है. It's beautiful, and yes, you are indeed such a fabulous singer. आपका Insta handle तो जल्दी बता दो.
I did make it during COVID, so yeah, I'm that person. Shruti Scale.
तो चलिए, last round is the never have I ever round. Are you ready for this?
Yes, I think so.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
So I did.
You did.
Yes.
कब था?
Yes. मैं cheat करा देती थी maths में लोगों को. That was during my school time once, and once during my engineering maybe. Yeah, we did that. And it was a leaked paper. So we all knew. I'm like, why should I be a sant in Sant? So I did that, but then paper got cancelled. It was a unanimous call. So I did not feel guilty.
Oh. Okay, never have I ever fallen asleep in public.
For me, if I feel sleepy, I can just sit and sleep. I don't care if it's looking at me or does it look weird. I'll just close my eyes and it would look like I'm meditating.
Never have I ever fallen asleep at work.
Not currently, not in MMT yet. We don't get the chance. It's pretty much here and there, like you have got a lot of things to prepare, and you end up your time prioritizing. In MMT, I feel that every day, even after work, you think ki next day abhi aur cheeze bachi hui hai. So there's a lot of energy, and I really enjoy here. So that ways it helps me being awake also. I mean, there are a lot of management here involved and a lot of strategic calls also to be involved. So you have to be awake. That's a job call. Another thing is I love it here. So the responsible person in me is like, no, you can't sleep. But yeah, नींद आती है, कॉफी जाके जरूर पी लेती हूँ मैं.
Yeah. अच्छा, never have I ever learned a foreign language.
Never. I mean, I did start but stopped it. And I don't want to go there.
चलिए, never have I played a musical instrument.
I did. I played ukulele, I played harmonium. I used to sing on harmonium. Ukulele is something that I'm learning on my own. Next is, ukulele pe bahut zyada I cannot sing, so I would be mostly shifting to guitar. That would be my new thing that I'll be learning here.
Oh, so sweet. Well, never have I ever texted or taken a call at the movies.
I did. Important. When you have to lie to your parents sometime कि हाँ मैं पढ़ाई कर रही हूँ, but पीछे बस आवाजें चल रही हैं, and they have been calling late night movie में. So yeah, I did.
Okay, never have I ever lied about my age.
I'm not pretty vocal about it, so never. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
To assume that आप young दिखते हो, तो I'm like okay.
Okay, never have I ever cut my own hair.
I did.
Oh.
COVID taught us all.
Yeah, I know, right? Never have I ever lied to my best friend.
Lies, but not like lies as such. Lie of like हमें 5 मिनट लेट आए.
हाँ.
Never.
5 का 10 मिनट हो गया होगा, 15 मिनट हो गया होगा, but that's it.
Yeah.
Never have I ever gone skiing.
Nah, never. That's the next bucket list.
Nice. Nice. Never have I ever marched in a protest.
College, yes, I did.
क्या बात है?
I did.
What was it for?
It was mostly regarding we had some placement ka thing going on in engineering college. So at that time, we were not getting proper answers for the. So it was not with my batch; it was with the junior batch. So kind of supported them.
Very good. And the last question: never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office fridge.
No. That I've not done. Do not eat my sandwich kind of a movement. I really respect that for people that I've not eaten them.
Well done, Shruti. इसी के साथ हमारा Never Have I Ever round तो खत्म होता है. But now is the time where I get you to sing. What is this last song you're going to sing for us?
So this is Mere Dholna. From Bhul Bhulaiya. This is sung by Shreya Ghoshal. Like I really follow her in terms of genres that she sings. That's my comfort genre to be. This is a semi-classical song and थोड़ा रियाज से बाहर हूँ. अगर सुर की कहीं गलती हो जाए तो like please माफ कर देना.
Oh, go for it.
मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन. मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी, जिंदा रहेगी होके फना. तन तुम तान धीर दे देना. मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन. मेरे ढोलना.
Wow, that was simply marvelous. Oh my God, Shruti, you do have the gift of not just singing, but beautiful singing. You have a lovely voice. Keep up this good work. Keep up the talent.
Thank you so much. And I'm really grateful for giving me this platform and showcasing my talent. I'm extremely thankful and grateful for it.
Oh, that's so sweet. All the very best with your professional journey as well here at MMT. And I hope that this year 2025 has lots and lots of good surprises in store for you.
That's good. Thank you.
Shruti Sanjeev, and she's by the way on Insta, Shruti Scale. I hope you put up your singing on your Insta handle as well, don't you?
I'm not very active right now, but videos I have already in line. But yeah, will be regular in next 2 months. That's in my plan.
Yeah, now is the time. You've got this platform now. Make the most of it.
doing so.
Shruti Sanjeev was a trained classical vocalist on the Fame Game today. It was lovely talking with you. She's from the corporate channel department based out of Gurgaon. And with that, the show comes to a close. It's Go MMT Radio with your host Annie. I'm going to see you again on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep smiling.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.